Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney Girl, and we got a VoxBox, which, if you guys aren't familiar with this, it's with Influenster, and basically anybody can sign up. It's free to do. I'll put a link in the comments below, but they send you free products to try, and luckily for me, how I answer most of these questions, I usually get some kind of cosmetics. So we have the Laura Mercier products here. It's actually the Tinted Moisturizer and the Primer. So this is the box that it came in. So you see right here, Influenster is who sent it to me. And I figure, let's try it on camera. So these are the two products that they gave me. This is the, it's called the Pure Canvas Primer. Silicone free. It's called Blurring. And it's actually supposed to create an instant mattifying filter, visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines, pores, and imperfections. Microalgae conditioned skin all over for improved look and texture. So you apply after skincare, and you put, they say put it on with your fingertips. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on now, because if you guys have watched any of my other videos, I usually put the primer on and kind of let it sit. So I'll put my hair back. So try that. And I know it looks crazy, but I just pull my hair back. Alright, so here's what, and it's actually like a light pink. You can't really tell, but there is the packaging. So the Pure Canvas Primer, and this is Blurring. So there's the applicator tip. So I'm just going to put, that's probably way too much, but I just want to kind of show you it's actually white. So it's like soaking into my skin almost instantly, and like my skin honestly has this like, I mean, it has this like almost smooth feeling to it. I'm just gonna do a little bit more because I don't feel like enough got over to like my forehead and down my nose. I've never, this actually makes me really excited. I've never used a primer that has like soaked into my skin as I drop it that quickly. Like I said, I normally have it set, have it almost kind of dry, and like it's on, it feels really smooth, it feels really good, and yeah, like that's awesome. I'm actually really happy about that. And I mean, of course, this is a really nice size bottle too. I feel like a lot of primers, you get this like small tube, which I mean, granted, you're not supposed to use a lot, but for my money's worth, I want a decent sized bottle. Maybe that's just me. So what we also have to try from Laura Mercier is the Tinted Moisturizer. This is an oil-free moisturizer. Does have the 20 SPF, which is awesome. So this is described as the skin perfecting secret to a flawless demi-matte, no makeup look. This multitasking blend of skincare and makeup helps control shine and provide a sheer hint of coverage. Broad spectrum SPF, 20 sunscreen, helps protect against damaging effects of the sun. Perfect for sensitive or oily skin types. Now this does say, of course, either with fingers or a sponge. I do have my sponge here. So here is the tube. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on my sponge. I'm gonna try just a little bit first because you never know. And since it's a moisturizer, I'm not putting concealer on because I just want to test it. That's definitely a good fit. And I did forget my mirror, so I am doing this through the camera, which is crazy, but it's moisturizer. So I'm gonna do the rest kind of with my fingers just to kind of feel it. And it actually feels really, like, even right here where I've already blended, like, it's on. Like, I put way too much on my forehead. So that is actually really good coverage. I mean, if I was going out, I would definitely be okay with this. I might, just because I have my own personal concerns with like my dark under eye circles, might put concealer on beforehand, but I wanted to test it just as is. And I really like it. Like, this is gonna be like my go-to tinted moisturizer from like now on. And the box does actually say that you finish it with setting powder, but like, I don't know if it's the primer or if it's the moisturizer or if it's the combination of the two, but like, my skin, it's nice and smooth. It's not wet or sticky to where I feel like I need to put setting powder on. So I could totally just put this on and go and be happy with my day. So I'm really happy with this. This might be my two favorite products, my two latest favorite products, because I've been looking for like a nice tinted moisturizer just to like go out but not have to put that full makeup on, and always looking for a good primer. So definitely go grab these for yourselves. If you guys are curious, the shade that I have on is called Petal. I mean, I'm definitely a little bit fairer skinned, but yeah, so happy, love it. Definitely, guys, go take a look. Again, Laura Mercier. I do want to thank Influencer for providing me with these products. They did, as I mentioned before, provide them to me free for my honest opinion. And I like it. I mean, I wouldn't say I like it if I didn't. So awesome. I can't wait to get more stuff from Influencer. I really do love some of their products, and I do have previous videos below of other Influencer boxes that I've got in the past. So, alright guys, until next time, have a magical day. Hakuna Matata.